Must eat 3. Best fruit after age 50 if you want better health. Number 1. Papaya. Papaya is recommended for its digestive benefits. It contains an enzyme called papain that aids digestion. It is also a rich source of essential vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin A, as well as minerals like potassium and folate. Papaya is beneficial for maintaining eye health, supporting the immune system, and fighting off free radicals. Number 2. Lemon. Lemon is highlighted for its ability to help regulate blood pressure, boost the immune system with its high vitamin C content, aid in digestion, assist in weight management, and provide antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative damage. Number 3. Raisins. Raisins are mentioned as a nutritious choice that promotes digestive health. They can aid in memory improvement, help control cholesterol levels, support heart health due to their dietary fiber and potassium content, and contain boron, which is beneficial for bone health. Raisins may also assist in treating iron deficiency anemia.